Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Zamora manonood ng Basketball Girls Division. Ayan, nag-warm up na ang mga players ng first game. Sila ang players ng Isabela State University at Nueva Vizcaya State University. Ayan guys, mag-i-start na ang laro.
Sagata, jersey number 10. Nalakbo, jersey number 9. Ganapi, jersey number 6. Galano, jersey number 4. And Sagata, jersey number 8. NDSU. Galapon, jersey number 7. Biron, jersey number 11. Mundo, jersey number 22. Flores, jersey number 15. And Ibarista, jersey number 9. And our officiating referees, we have Sir Ronnie Gonzalez, Sir Kilang, and Sir Jaramillo. Jump ball between jersey number 9 and 11. Sige, nakuha ngayon ng ISU. Jersey number 6, pinasa kay jersey number 4, Galano. Jersey number 6. Continue. Good boy. NBS yung may hawak ng bola. Pinasa ay number 11. Time to shoot. Kuha number 6 to number 4. Okay, good ball.
Ayan, lamang ang ISU.
Number 9 for 2. Okay, good ball.
Ayan, 30 seconds ang natitira para sa first quarter at lamang pa rin ang ISU. Dumating na rin ang mga players na maglalaro sa second game, ang mga players ng Cagayan State University. Sisimula ng second quarter, lamang pa rin ang ISU.
Lawrence. Hello. King.
Last quarter at lamang na lamang ang mga players ng ISU.
Manuel to Ganapi. For 3. Good boy. Ganda.
Score 76-27, panalo ang ISU. Nag-warm up nang maglalaro sa second game ang players ng Quirino State University at Cagayan State University. Ayan, after ng warm up, magsisimula na rin ang laro.
Number 60. Agta, jersey number 30. Ballesteros, jersey number 8. Ebrio, jersey number 23. And Sixton, jersey number 22. The CSU. Bakay, jersey number 5. Pedronan, jersey number 30. Okay, pakitanggal po yung mga kwentas nyo. Pasqua, jersey number 2. Gali, jersey number 40. Ay, hindi. Sanyano, jersey number 38. And Jacinto, jersey number 12. Okay, and our Jambal, jersey number 38. and jersey number 23. Yung bola, isusunta sa CSU for 2. Over, kaporning number 16. CSU. CSU ngayon. Jersey Ata. To Francisco. To Ata. To 3. Over. Si number 14. Okay.
Second quarter at lamang ng CSU.
Ebio. To Agtang. Agtang. To Singson. Okay, 2 points. Dakay. To King. Over. Amani.
Magsisimula ng fourth quarter at lamang pa rin ang mga players ng CSU.
To Agtang. To 3. Agtang ngayon. Na check by Turek. Turek, nagpamadali. Turek, pinasa kay Gali. 2 points. Lazaro. Tamiano.
Score 87-49, panalo ang CSU.
That's it.
Hi guys, day 2. Ayan, nandito ako ngayon sa Capitol. At medyo na-late akong dumating. Balak namin manood ngayon ng dance part sa gym, pero panoorin muna namin ang mga naglalaro ng volleyball kasi mukhang maganda yung laro nila. Medyo late akong dumating, mga 8:20 siguro. Kaya hindi ko na po alam kung ilan ang score nila. Pero mainit-init pang laban. Sobrang init manood ng volleyball. Lalo na wala kaming dalang payong. Pero ayan, ang dami pong nanonood. Oh. Ay, shit. Uy, galing. Uy! Nice! Ang saya manood ng volleyball pero super init po talaga kaya ayan, naisipan namin manood na lang po dito sa loob ng gym ng dance sport. Taas po ng energy ng mga nanonood dito sa loob pala. Akala ko sa labas lang pero mga hyper din po dito sa loob. Hi guys, day 3. last day na ng ating athletic meet. Nanonood kami ngayon ng championship game ng volleyball boys. Ayan, at naglalaban ay ang CSU at ISU. Kagaya ng second day, ayan, super init pa rin po. Kaya hindi ko na po na-video yung kabuuan ng game nila. Pero ang nanalo po ay ang CSU. Hi guys, ayan, 2 PM na po at andito na po kami sa loob ng gym para sa awarding at closing program.
Starting with our fifth runner-up, garnering a total points of 23 points. Fifth runner-up in our social cultural competition goes to Batanes State College. Our fourth runner-up, garnering a total points of 84 points. Fourth runner-up in social cultural goes to Nueva Vizcaya State University. Thank you very much, Nueva Vizcaya State University, our fourth runner-up. Garnering a total points of 89 points. Our third runner-up goes to Philippine Government University, North Luzon. What's the name of the natin? PNU North Luzon. Thank you very much. For our second runner-up, garnering a total points of 128 points. Second runner-up goes to Quirino State University.
Alam, storage ako.
Once again from Quirino State University. Garnering a total points of 140 points. 40 points na ang kanilang lamang sa overall champion. First runner-up goes to Cagayan State University. So that means our overall champion for this year's Regional Class Culture and the Arts Festival goes to Isabela State University.
So ayun guys, overall champion sa socio-cultural ang ISU, habang sa sports naman ay ang CSU. Bye! Thank you for watching!